Hey, Dan here. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. And today, I'm going to be putting together a new grill. Stay tuned. Now, as you can see, this is the old one, the Fiesta. And we've gotten about three or 4 years out of that. And we can't complain. I've had to put a new stainless steel burner in it. And then I had to buy new plates. But as you can see, they're metal and they're all rusted out. Here's as far in here as I can get right now. Wasn't anticipating. In good shape there. I got a stub. I got a freaking root here, but oh well. I think if we stand it up, I think we'll be in good shape. But there it is. This is Ember's grill, and we got it at Tractor Supply. I'm sure the styrofoam in it. But,
it's supposed to be stainless, and it's supposed to have
lifetime burner warranty.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice thing.
And
I replaced that one 3 times.
cast iron and stainless burners and special burners. This is a top of
Top
the line.
Yeah, the only thing it's missing was the your infrared, which is what
But this
the
has
grill.
got
the other type of
it's got radiant ember cooking system,
right,
which is as good or better
than the infrared.
It's also got the heat locking installation,
okay,
and the ceramic and titanium burners.
There you go. Well,
these burners should not be destroyed.
Right.
None of them.
Right. Well, of course, we were looking at charcoal. Charcoal grill is the other one.
Charbroil.
Charbroil and the what was it? What was the other one? Yeah, Charbroil and Weber.
Royal King and Weber.
Weber. Yep, those are the other 2 major grill systems. And for what we wanted, compared to this one, was about $800, wasn't it?
I could have got something from Charbroil that wasn't as good as this.
Good as this one.
Because it wasn't stainless.
Right.
And because it wasn't titanium.
Right.
But it had the same stuff, same size cooking top.
Right.
It didn't have a clear window. This one does.
Right.
It had a thermometer.
Right.
It had 4 burners. It had a side burner.
And it had
could have got that for $3.99.
It had the infrared.
But I paid the $200 extra for this because this is a better grill.
Right.
I've had Charbroil.
Yeah. Well, and this isn't a main name brand, but
yes, it is.
Because of their a lot of those are just the 2.
No, this is a name brand. This is a main brand. They actually make grills out. The 3 Embers do that are more than this. They make tabletop outside charcoal grills that are like $1,000.
Right. Right.
And it isn't any bigger than the top of that piece of crap up there.
Right.
And it's $1,000 on sale.
And what I liked about it when we first saw it last year is the fact that it's got 2 drawers, and then you got the main drawer, which is where you keep your tank.
Charbroil don't get that high.
So Charbroil, well, of course.
This is more what restaurants use.
Charbroil and Weber you can get at Walmart.
But this is more what
you
restaurants
can't get this one
use.
at Walmart. Oh, okay.
You can get this at Lowe's, but you got to special order it, and you're going to pay $800 for it versus the $6 I did.
I think you said that Lowe's doesn't have it in there.
No, but you can get it, but you're going to pay $8 for it.
$8 for it. All right. Between her and I, we got it on the deck. I gotta figure out how it comes out of its box. It says this side up. Okay, fragile, this side up. Most is that side up. Okay. Anyway, let's see what we got here.
Oh! Man, these are snazzy ones.
Huh? Take up the pressure off. That side?
Oh, no, I can't get it off. I thought it was a snazzy one, I guess not. It would look like you would have just threaded it through. Dude.
Say, what's under there? Why, Lily?
Dr. Book.
Lily Bear.
Can't get to. Styrofoam.
Yeah, I see. Oh, I got you.
Oh, yeah? Because I ain't got it.
Looks like that's laying down there. Let's just cut the walls on this thing.
Should I cut my box? Apparently, all you have to do is put the sides on it.
The sides on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you cut down the side.
Why wouldn't you take the bottom off? Yeah. Set it over in the corner there so I can use it.
See what's inside it? Oh, you're right.
And then stand it up.
Yeah. And then I gotta.
And then you take the box and lift it off from the top of it.
Yeah, I think so.
The top and the bottom come off the box. So
Yeah.
can't be they want you to tear the box
No,
apart.
it's not.
I don't want you to tear the box apart. I want to keep the
I wonder how
box.
you get it out of the deal. Okay, so we gotta stand it back out. Stand the box back up.
Yeah, you ain't going to be able to, though, because you ain't going to be able to get that back on it.
Well, I gotta overcome the wheels.
Do you need to just cut the box?
No, I gotta get it stood up.
But do you need to just cut the box so you don't break my wheels?
No, I think you're right. I think you gotta lift it up anyway.
But aren't my wheels right there?
The wheels are right here, yeah. I gotta figure out how to get it up so we're not pushing all the weight on the side of the wheels as we're lifting it up.
And you're going to snap my wheels on.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm trying not to do.
So now let's just cut the box and then we can just stand it up.
Hmm?
Let's just cut the box then.
We still gotta stand it up.
Well, at least we can see the wheels.
The wheels are right here.
You're looking at the wheels?
I'm looking at the wheels. The wheels are they're inside this. See, they're nice. They're inside. They're inside this, just like that. The wheels are covered over. Problem is now, once we get it out, I gotta get it out. Get the wheels out.
Oh, you're gonna break my grill. We should have stood it up before we cut the straps off it.
Yeah, but we still got to get it out of the. Still got to get the
but
wheels out.
But then that would have been held in place.
What held in place?
That.
Well, it is in place right now. But I got to get the.
Son of a bitch. Oh, but can I see the wheels?
The wheels are right here.
Oh, they even block.
Maybe.
That shit out.
Maybe. I'll go like this. Because I don't want any weight or force on the wheel as I'm lifting it up. So, stand right here. Stand right here.
Really?
Stand right here. Keep that right there.
What the hell, dude?
As I'm lifting it up.
As you're lifting it up.
Yeah. I'm lifting
So what am I doing?
Just guiding that.
You're gonna break my wheels right off.
Beautiful. Beautiful. What? I'm gonna go the other way here. I'm gonna slide that out.
What out?
Slide the pallet out.
Pull it out?
Yeah.
I'm going. I got one speed. This is it. There you go.
Beautiful.
Ouch. Not yet.
Yeah, they are locked. You like it?
No, I'm trying to get this thing.
The wheels are locked.
Oh, okay.
You guys setting it up?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with that one?
I offered it to your mother, and if she don't want it, I'm giving it to the garbage man.
But say, I take it, but I don't want it.
You don't want that.
I don't want that.
If you want a grill,
I don't want that. That's a crappy grill. But I don't really grill. I put it cook on the stove. Is the thing.
All the wheels were.
when you're ready to be out, move that box top. When you're ready to be out and on your own and in your own life, and keep it there. Put it over here.
No, I'm keeping it. I'm just, moving it.
Buy you your own grill.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That was $600. No, I don't really, I'm not really into grill.
I do, because I like to grill.
I like to cook and bake and,
This is our final grill.
I bet it is because that's a nice looking grill.
I'm never going to have to buy another.
Well, I think we got to lift the whole.
Don't lose it. Got it?
There you go. Ain't a romper room. They ain't gonna walk around like
Hey,
this.
look, there's some saran wrap. Hey, Lexi, please don't break my box, though, because I want to keep it. Lexi, are you listening to me?
I am. Don't break your box. I want to keep it. Ooh, this is nice. Take it out now.
Look good.
Take it out now.
You look good, man.
Yeah, take it out now.
You look good, man.
I'm busy.
You look good, man. Let's see.
I don't want to stay here. I'm busy. I'm drawing.
You drawing?
Yeah, I'm drawing my boyfriend anniversary photos. Yeah, for our 1 month anniversary. Oh, geez, me. Our 1 month anniversary. I did too. I've been with him for about a month or two. I'll tell you stuff she knows. I'm drawing his anniversary photos. This is what I do. I draw. Leave me alone. I like to draw. Pick on me. Be nice.
We're going to take that shit on your board. Didn't need to be taped on there.
All right. Uniform heat. Torch ignition. Maximum control. Innovation. 24 hour, 7 days a week. And
Did you get that like I
it. We all have our part.